Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. This is basically 161 number part of the stuff. Basically. That is the language part. So one person basically told that financial industry basically is everything. Basically. When basically the finance connects, it's finance industry only. World Bank basically is in front, but financial industry basically are not in front. Basically. There are basically set of finance group basically. They can be director, individual director, or they can be basically the uh, one of the employee of any financial company basically. But one thing is 100% basically they have the full authority to the financial sector basically. Financial sector means up to this level basically who is the owner of 1 rupee, who is the owner of 2 rupees, who is the owner of 50 rupees, who is the owner of 10 rupees, who is the owner of 100 rupees, who is the owner of 200 rupees, who is the owner of 500 rupees, who is the owner of 5 rupees, who is the owner of 1000 rupees, who is the owner of 5000 rupees, who is the owner of 10,000 rupees. So each currency basically have one owner basically. Same way basically the blood group basically are connected with set of owner group. Same way basically the currencies are also basically connected with set of owners. Set of owners. So one of the person told that on the base of this owner or the financial group basically when they calculates the products basically when they creates the products, in that basically they take this product this currency owner data also, this currency owner data also basically they, that means whenever financial industry connects basically lots of conditions basically are taken by the set of groups. Even basically the chartered accountant group basically can't handle this financial industry basically because it's they basically can up to World Bank basically. World Bank up to World Bank basically chartered accountant groups are okay. But to handle financial industry basically they require some dangerous degree basically. Beyond the chartered accountant degree basically. So in next video basically.